Yo, check it out. I'm literally just on the freeway, and there's a shit ton of fucking Euro cars, man. What the? Oh, Integra. I don't think that's a Type R. What is going on? Well, let's catch up. Let's check out the fleet. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, we got some. All right, we got a. What is that? Oh, shit, I can't see. All right, we got some Porsches here. Got some Integras. Wait, is that the same Integra? I think so. All right, this one's got quad pipes. Oh, that's a 911 Carrera. Is that? I can't see it. Let's catch up. Some other nice rides. Come on. Oh my gosh, oh god, they're jamming up. It's all the supercars. Let's see if we can. I think there was like a couple LFAs, the Lexus. It's like got some triangle, triple exhaust going on. Let's see. Come on, let me get some footage. Oh shit! I was literally just coming back from the beach, and this is what I come back to. Oh man, they're just... What are they doing? What? Kind of at the back of the pack here. Come on. Fuck. Oh god. Alright, here we go. Oh shit. Oh, alright chick. Alright lady. Alright. I wasn't even planned for this. Oh shit, here we go. I'm seeing some mean rear ends. What is that? Holy. Wow, I can feel that fuck. Oh my god, it's a 911 Turbo S. I can feel that shit. Holy. Damn. Alright. What is this? A GTRS? Is that? What? Let's see. Wow, I can feel it. Holy shit. Jesus. Oh, is he revving it up for me? All right, let me go. LFA. All right, that rear end, I can see it. Come on, let me go. Two LFAs here. What does that say? GTS R3? I don't know what year. Sorry guys, my yo, should I trail this chick or something? I don't know, dude. Let me go. Let's see, maybe I'll just stick around or something. Oh shit, man, the hat. Tighten the hat. It should be a bit better. I think the camera might overheat. Thank you, brother. The Integra. We got one of those. Okay. Thank you. No Sport Plus. I'm just a normal. I'm just trying to get home. 4 LFAs. Yo, I hear something. Where is that coming from? All right, we're cutting up or what? We're cutting up? Whoa. Okay. Bro, it's Tesla. Let me go. Putting on Sport Plus. All right. Sport Plus is on. That's the fucking Jesus, man. LFAs. Oh my God. There's just 3 of them. Holy. Bro, dude. What the fuck, bro? Jesus, dude. Another LFA? Is that a Ferrari? What the fuck, yo? Jesus. Dude, what the hell? This is scuffed. So scuffed. Scuffed random ass meat, man. Yo, I kind of want to tail that chick though. I don't know. Where are these guys going? Are they going into Carmel Mountain? Maybe I'll stick around. I want to see the cars at the front of the pack. God, that was so fucking scuffed, dude. Okay, LFA. Oh God, he's putting, what is that? Some Ferrari? Holy shit. I don't know what that is, guys. Is that a McLaren? That's a McLaren. There's 2 McLarens. Oh, is he letting me in? Thank you, brother. What is this? A 6 or 500? Oh shit, here we go. Yeah. I think these are 600, 500. Is that an Audi R8? Another Ferrari. I'm gonna get behind them. Oof. Is that a scoop? Wait. Bro, is that an F1 or what the fuck, dude? Are they cutting up? Yeah, this truck, dude. Yeah, I see that McLaren behind me. It looks like a 500 or something. Oh, they're rolling out. Oh, God. Oh gosh, what the fuck is going on? Sorry if the camera's in a shitty. What is going on? Let me get over. I want to see the McLaren. Is that a P or? I see a scoop. Oh my God, what the hell? That's a mean shot. That's a mean shot. Is that a chick? It's a chick, bro! Holy. Giving a wave. Alright, I'm heading out. That's all, folks. I gotta get home. I don't know where they're going, but let's see. Oh shit, man, it's got the, oh my gosh, just bought it or something. All right, that was fucking scuffed. Yeah, there's the chick in the orange. Nah, I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going home. Hey, what up? Oh, she's recording. Oh my, that was a, wait, that's a different chick. All right, ladies were the ladies were rolling out today. All right, I'm out. That was the most scuffed fucking footage. Holy. Give it a launch. I'll give it a launch just for you guys. All right, no more. I'm done. All right, see you guys later. This was so scuffed. Holy shit. Scuffed, man.